Stop scrolling. Every second you waste today will never come back. Time is your most valuable asset. Not money, not fame, not connections. Every second you waste is lost forever. Most people complain about lack of time. They say, I don't have enough hours in the day. The truth, everyone has the same 24 hours. It's what you do with them that matters. Productivity isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about focusing on what actually moves your life forward. Start by removing distractions, social media, endless scrolling, negative people, cut them out. Protect your time like it's gold, because it is. Plan your day before it plans you. Write your tasks, prioritize. Do the most important work first when your energy is highest. Break your goals into small actions. Consistency beats motivation every single time. 1 hour of focus daily beats 10 hours of scattered effort. Time wasted is opportunity lost. Every procrastination, every delay, every excuse is a step further from your dreams. Successful people don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it. They guard their time fiercely. They say no to what doesn't serve them. They say yes to what pushes them forward. Remember this: time is unstoppable. It won't pause for your comfort. It won't wait for your motivation. It will move forward, whether you act or not. Your future self will thank you for the hours you invest today. Your success depends on the minutes you commit now. Every small, focused effort compounds into massive results over time. Don't let laziness steal your life. Don't let distractions control your destiny. The way you use your time determines the way your life unfolds. So today, make a choice. Be intentional. Be focused. Be unstoppable. Work in silence. Let your results speak. Guard your hours. Protect your energy. If this message hit you hard, subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share it with someone who needs this reminder. And remember, your focus, your discipline, your time will shape the life you've always dreamed of.